Today, I'm creating a simple and cute floral nail design. I'm starting with a fully prepped nail tip. Everything is clean, properly, and gently buffed. Now I'm going in with a base coat first. I'm making sure to seal the entire nail evenly, going from the cuticle area to the free edge. I always take my time with this step because it creates a strong foundation for everything that comes after. Once that's done, I'm building my base color. I'm using this soft creamy off-white shade because it gives such a clean and elegant background for floral designs. I'm applying it in very thin layers so it stays smooth and doesn't get thick or bulky. Here's layer 1, very thin, very even, just enough to tint the nail. Then I will cure it. Now going in with layer 2. At this stage, the color is starting to build up nicely, but I'm still focusing on keeping everything smooth and streak-free. And again, I will cure it. Layer 3 is where it really starts to come together. The creamy tone becomes more even and soft, giving that perfect milky base look. And finally, layer 4. This step is just about perfecting everything, making sure the color is fully even, opaque, and has that glossy, smooth finish before I start the design. Once cured, the base is completely ready. I am applying a matte coat to give a matte look. And cure it. Now comes the fun part, the floral design. I'm starting with a soft light purple shade. I'm gently drawing small flowers across the nail, keeping them delicate and airy. I don't want them too bold or heavy. I'm aiming for a soft, floating floral effect. Each flower is placed intentionally so the design feels balanced and not overcrowded. I'm letting the shapes flow naturally across the nail instead of forcing a pattern. Next, I'm adding light green stems. I'm sketching them lightly to guide the direction of the design. This step really helps map out where everything will sit and keeps the overall composition clean and structured while still looking natural. Now I'm going back in with a darker purple. This is where I add depth to the flowers. I'm defining the petals slightly so they stand out more, giving them dimension while still keeping that soft, hand-printed look. It makes the flowers look more realistic without overpowering the base. I'm also deepening the green on the stems at this point. Just a little more definition so they don't blend too much into the background and stay visible but still soft. Now I'm stepping back and checking the overall balance. If I see any empty spaces, I'm filling them in with extra light green stems. This really helps tie the whole design together and gives it that natural, flowing movement across the nail. Everything is now looking soft, cohesive, and well balanced. The flowers feel evenly placed, and the colors work beautifully together without feeling too busy. And that's the finished set. Simple, cute, and elegant floral nails with a soft hand-painted effect.